The Lucy Show. Starring Lucille Ball. Co-starring Vivian Vance.
To gargle.
Really, Mom? I'll spend the rest of my life like this.
There's a dime on the floor. You can have it if you can find it.
Where?
Hey, your neck got better.
Oh, wish I didn't have such a tricky mother.
Lucy, I found 10 more stamps in my pocketbook. They're a little linty, but I think they're still good.
Good.
Now, do we have enough books to get to Hawaii? I think we have enough to get to Harrisburg, Pennsylvania.
Do they hula in Harrisburg?
Only if nobody's looking.
Oh, dear. Do you think Mr. Mooney would loan us enough money to get to Hawaii?
Oh, sure, if we went by surfboard.
Oh, I'm just dying to get there. I'm doing fine in my hula lessons. Watch me now, Lucy. Every movement has some sort of a meaning. It really means something like that. Now, what does this one mean?
It means you're not wearing a girdle.
Well, I look a lot better with my grass skirt on, but I just washed it.
You washed it?
Sure, what'd you expect me to do with a grass skirt? Mow it?
Get there, will you, Viv?
Okay. Oh, hi, Mr. Mooney.
Mrs. Bagley, you look lovely today. And Mrs. Carmichael, you are your usual gorgeous self.
Mr. Mooney, I never knew you drank.
I was just drinking in your loveliness. Now, Mrs. Carmichael, unbelievable as it may sound, I need a favor from you.
You need a favor from me?
Yes, you see, we're having our house painted, and I was wondering if I could leave my greenback here.
Well, now, you can leave all your greenbacks here.
That greenback is my bird.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
It'll only be for the day because the smell of paint makes her ill.
Oh.
It makes my wife ill, too, but nobody will take care of her for a day. I just show you, little girl.
Bird, huh?
Yeah, we are.
Oh, isn't that darling?
She's beautiful.
Yeah.
What is she?
Well, that's a cockatiel.
Oh, a cockatiel. Well, we'd be very happy to take care of her, Mr. Mooney.
Good.
Miss Carmichael, can I speak to you for a minute, please?
Okay, Charlie.
Look, I have to go back to the telephone company to pick up some more material, so I'm going to leave my equipment in the backyard, okay?
Okay.
I'm afraid you won't be able to use the phone till I get back, though.
That's all right.
I'll see you later.
Okay, Charlie.
She's the cutest thing.
Oh, she's
Does she say anything,
beautiful.
Mr. Mooney? Does she know any words?
Oh, yes, she talks. I taught her myself. Yeah. All right, now, Greenie, say something for the nice ladies. Come on, say something.
E pluribus unum. E pluribus unum.
E pluribus unum, my favorite word.
Adorable. What do you feed her?
Well, now, here are typewritten instructions covering everything that you ought to know.
Uh-huh.
Well, I'd better be going. Oh, she'd never forgive me if I didn't say goodbye. Come on, Greenie. Come on. There. Goodbye, Greenie Weenie.
Bye, Popsy Wopsy.
She calls me Popsy Wopsy. Now, you'll be a good little bird, won't you? Yes, you'll do whatever the nice ladies tell you to do, won't you? Yes, that's good. All right, now, don't be a naughty little birdie. Now, Popsy Wopsy, we'll see you this evening.
Bye,
You'll behave yourself, won't you?
Popsy Wopsy.
Oh, my goodness.
goodbye to his wife, he just shakes hands. Weenie, weenie.
Lucy, I can't understand you. Every time you ask Mr. Mooney for a favor, he turns you down. He comes over here and asks you one favor, and you accept him right away.
Well, I happen to be a very nice person.
Oh?
Yeah, besides, I got a sneaky little trick that might make Mr. Mooney raise my allowance.
That's better. What's the sneaky little trick?
Well, I just thought maybe the way to Mooney's heart is through Greenie, Weenie, Backy, Wacky. Yeah. Greenie, Greenie, come here, Greenie. Repeat after me. Give Lucy more money.
Oh, that's a terrific sneaky trick. Do you think you can teach her to say that?
I don't know, but it's worth trying. Come on, pretty baby. Give Lucy more money. Give Lucy more money.
Come on now, if you don't say it, we're going to write it on a piece of paper and rub your beak in it.
Yeah, you scared her. You don't understand birds.
What do you mean I don't understand birds?
The only way that bird will learn anything from us is if she loves us. We have to make her feel she's among friends.
Well, what do you want us to do, grow feathers?
No. We'll give her fresh water, we'll feed her, we'll clean her cage, and then she'll love us.
Oh, listen, I fed, watered, and cleaned the cage of that bird I was married to, and you know how that turned out.
I got something else, Biff. I bet your greenback's gonna love this little mirror.
Oh, dear. Why don't you get that bird a statue?
A statue?
Yeah, all birds love statues.
Oh,
You bought that bird so many presents you can hardly see her in the cage.
Oh, yes, you can. She's down in there somewhere. Viv, there's no bird in here. Did you leave the cage door open when you put the water in?
No, I didn't. You must have left it open when you fed her.
No, I didn't leave it
did not
open.
leave the door to that
Oh,
cage
Viv,
open. I
you
never...
must have.
I didn't. You
Let's
must
not
have
yell
left
at
it
each other. Let's not yell at each other.
Yeah, let's save all of our strength for when Mooney tries to kill us.
We gotta find her. We gotta find her. Here, Greenie, Weenie, Backy, Wacky. I heard her.
Oh, that was me. That was me. I thought maybe she'd answer something that she knew. Oh, Lucy.
Don't sit down, Viv. You might sit on her.
Oh, don't say
Well,
that.
she could be anywhere.
Oh, Lucy.
Maybe she flew under the
Oh,
sofa.
how could she get... Maybe she's under the chair. She might be.
Oh, hooray! Did you find her?
No, but I found some more stamps.
Oh. Listen, go out in the garage and get the flashlight. She may be under here, but it's so dark I can't tell.
Okay.
Here, Greenie Weenie. Vote for Dewey. Boy, I gotta sweep under there more often.
Lucy, I found her.
Where?
She's out on a telephone pole.
A telephone
Yes.
pole? Oh, we gotta get that bird or we're dead ducks.
Yes, Where did you see her? Right on the pole, on that telephone pole.
Which
He
one?
was right up there on... He's right up there. See him? Right up there.
Oh.
Come on, Greenback. Greenie back.
Here, I'll
Greenback.
handle this. I'll handle this. You come down off that wire this minute. Do you hear me? Right this minute.
Oh, boy, you've sure got away with birds.
Well, I'm just going to have to climb up there and get her.
Oh, Lucy, you can't do that. You'll get a shock.
Well, I'd rather face a few thousand volts of electricity than one angry Mooney, I can tell you that. Besides, the phone man was up there.
Yeah, but he had on rubber shoes and gloves and things like that.
Well, go look for something.
Okay. Gee, I hope you know what you're doing.
Don't worry about that. Come on, Greenie, Weenie, Backy, Wacky. Come on, honey. Come on, honey. Come on. Never mind that.
Oh, Lucy, what are you doing with my grass skirt on?
My stretch pants just overstretched.
Well, don't you get that wrinkled.
Wrinkled? What'd you get?
Well, I got these swim fins of Jerry's and a butterfly net and some asbestos gloves.
Well, good thinking, Viv.
What do you mean, good thinking? I'm getting just as kooky as you are.
Oh. Now go get the big ladder for me.
What do you want with the ladder?
I need the ladder to get out on the roof, to get out on the pole, to get out to get the bird. Now get going.
Oh. Okay, hand me the cage. Got it.
horse snatch. You'd frighten a bird. Now, don't even think of that. What a bird. She speaks Latin, but she can't understand English. I'm just going to have to go out on that pole and get her, that's all.
If I wanted to be careful, I never would have moved in with you.
Viv, you're going to have to give me a boost.
Give you a boost?
Yes. Come on.
Okay.
I don't mean with a butterfly net.
All right.
You watch me get up on here.
Am I near you yet?
Not yet, honey. Back up, back up. Back up. A little bit more. A little bit more. There, I got it. Okay. These flippers weren't made for climbing.
Lucy, don't look down. You might get dizzy. I mean, you might get dizzier than you are. Lucy, answer the phone. It's scaring the bird.
Well, it's not doing me any good either. Hello?
Operator, give me the police.
The police?
Yeah, there's some fruitcake up on the roof wearing flippers and a grass skirt yelling, eat, eat. And there's another fruitcake trying to catch her in the net and put her in a cage.
Oh, come now. The police would never believe a story like that. Oh, some nut. Here, Greenie. Here, Greenie. Come on, baby.
Come on, Birdie.
Oh, I got an idea. You see this thing?
Yeah.
This is a seat that the telephone men use.
It is?
Yeah.
What are you going to do, Lucy?
I'm going to get in here. I'm going to push off.
Don't hurt my grass skirt.
Oh, I know. Hey, man, for heaven's sake. We don't get this bird, you'll never get any place. It won't matter whether you got a grass skirt or not. For heaven's sake. Now, I'm going to push off, and I'm going to get you, you little rascal. Okay.
It's the only way to fly.
Well, smarty pants, I'm blasting off again, Greenie Weenie. What happened?
Oh, thank heaven you're here, Sam.
What's the matter, Mr. Mooney?
I need some tranquilizers for Greenback. She's had a frightening experience.
Really? What happened?
Well, foolishly, I left the poor little bird with the biggest bird brain in town. But she escaped and flew right home to her daddy.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear about that. You know, if these bird tranquilizers don't work, you may have to take her to see a psychiatrist.
Yes, I probably. A psychiatrist? For pets?
Yeah, one just opened an office here last week.
These should fix her up. Put them on my account, will you?
Sure, Mr. Mooney.
Oh, Sam, I have a hunch that the woman who allowed Greenback to escape will come in here to buy another cockatiel. Now, if she does, phone me. I'll be right next door at the bank. Then you stall her till I get back.
Yes. What can I do for you, ladies?
I've got to have a cockatiel right away.
Cockatiel.
Yes, please.
Oh, a cockatiel.
Yes, you have a
Well,
cockatiel?
you've certainly come to the right place.
Oh, good.
But, would you excuse me for a moment? I got to make a phone call.
Oh, of course.
Thank you.
I don't think we'll find another one that looks just exactly like Greenback.
Well, we've got to if we expect a full Mooney.
Oh, the fair the turtles. Oh, I bought a turtle in here once that just hated me.
Well, how can you tell when a turtle hates you?
He kept trying to rub my name off of his back.
Listen, Viv, where do you think Greenback is?
Halfway to Capistrano.
She was a cockatiel, not a swallow.
Sorry to keep you ladies waiting.
Oh, that's
now,
all right.
what kind of a cockatiel did you want?
Well, do you have one with a green back and a blue dot on its left wing that says E pluribus unum?
No, but I got a black-coated minor bird that says hello, goodbye, and rat fink.
No, that's no good.
How about a parrot that sings hello, Polly?
No, the cockatiels, please.
Follow me to the bird.
Okay.
Hello, goodbye, rat thing.
Interested?
No, I've got to have a cockatiel.
This way to the birds, ladies.
Rat thing.
How about
Rat
that?
thing, he said. Oh, look at him.
There's some
Lucy.
cockatiels.
Oh, look.
How about that one over
my-
there?
This one here?
That one?
Yeah.
That one right over there in the corner?
That looks kind of like it.
No,
Which
Lucy,
one,
that
lady?
one's too fat.
Too fat, yeah.
Much fatter than the other one.
How about this one right here? Over there,
How
near
about that one?
near
Yeah, how
the
about
man.
that one? Uh-huh.
You want that one here?
Oh, I don't know. No, his ears don't look the same.
Cockatiels don't have ears.
Well, he doesn't look the same where his ears are supposed to be. You know what I mean.
Excuse me.
How about that one back there, Viv?
That looks, gee, they all look sort of alike.
There's
Oh,
one
look at
down
that
there
cute
that's
little
sort of the
bird.
same
Isn't that a
coloring.
cute one?
Yeah.
Huh? Hey, how about that one? We're sitting up there with that little
Yeah,
thing.
get it for me, will you,
Okay.
Viv?
Well, look at him. Come here, little bird. Come here, little cockatiel. Come here, little cockatiel. Ow! He bit my finger.
Which one?
That blue one. He must be a friend of that turtle I bought.
I'll
You
get
get it,
one.
Lucy.
Okay.
That one right up there?
Yeah.
Huh?
It looks like it's got kind of the same.
Oh, aren't they the cutest little thing? Isn't that darling?
Now, don't you jump.
Oh, he's got a white dot, though, instead of a blue one.
Oh, well, I'll put some blue eyeshadow on it.
Mr. Mooney, what a pleasant surprise.
One of the little bells, please. Oh, ladies.
Oh, but Mr. Mooney, what am I doing here? I mean, what are you doing here?
Well, I was buying a homecoming gift for Greenback. What are you doing here?
Well, we were buying a going-away gift for Greenback.
Oh, yeah, that's good. A going-away present, yeah.
Oh, that's so we just love that bird.
Yeah, we just love him.
Isn't that nice? To know Greenback is to love her. By the way, Greenback gets lonesome. Who's watching her now?
Oh, we hired a babysitter. I mean, a bird sitter.
Can't you stand still?
Did you ever try to stand still with a bird in your blouse?
Oh, by the way, Mrs. Carmichael.
Yes?
After work, I'll stop by your house and pick up Greenback.
You will?
Yes.
Oh, well, we'll sure hate to lose her again. I mean, see her go.
Now, I know how you feel. I can hardly wait to see her again.
Oh, me too.
Yes. Goodbye, ladies.
Goodbye. Sir, we found the bird we want.
Well, which one is it?
Well, it's this one right here.
I'll put it in the cage.
Okay.
That'll be $6.
Thank you. Oh, boy. Oh, darn it, my purse. What happened? It fell in the fishbowl.
Lady, look out!
Well, my purse fell in the fishbowl.
Those are piranha fish!
So what? I'm not bothering them.
They're man-eaters!
One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, you're lucky, lady. They'll devour anything.
Oh, well, my money is in my purse.
Oh, well, I'll get a hook and get it out. Excuse me.
Oh, my.
Pardon me.
Oh. Ugh.
See her right there above the eagle? If she can't talk, how do you expect her to read?
What are we going to do? Mr. Mooney will know it's not his bird.
Well, we could say that the bird fell off of her ladder, landed on its head, and has amnesia.
Oh, that's the silliest thing I ever heard.
Come in.
Come in.
Well, how's my little Greenback?
She fell off her ladder, landed on her head, and got amnesia.
That's the silliest thing I ever heard.
That's what I told Viv.
Why does she have a white spot on her wing instead of a blue one?
Oh, the fall scared her so much that she turned white.
That's right, that's right. That's actually what happened. It's just one of those crazy things.
Oh, well, this seems to be a day for crazy things.
Oh?
When I went home for lunch, the strangest thing happened. A bird flew through my window that looked exactly like Greenback.
Really?
Yes, yes. She landed on my shoulder, kissed my cheek, but instead of saying E pluribus unum, it said, give Lucy more money.
of that?
I think you are an irresponsible nitwit, and that bird is a cheap fake.
It's not cheap. It cost me $6.
Well, you take your bird, and I'll take my cage. Leaving my precious greenback with you was like leaving General Custer with Sitting Bull.
Boy, he was mad. And I don't blame him. You certainly were a bird brain to keep the door of that cage open.
Me, a bird brain? You were a bird brain for not watching the cage.
Oh, look who's calling who a bird brain.
You're both bird brains.